guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a haul video. If you guys know me, you guys already know that I love doing haul videos. और अभी मैंने एक महीने पहले करी थी Nykaa haul. I shopped some more from Nykaa because there was a sale going on. And yeah, a lot of products are skincare related. There's only one or two products जो makeup है. मैंने अपने last haul में भी बताया था that I'm taking my skincare very seriously these days, and I'm actually liking it. I think your skin also then understands that you're making an effort और वो अपने आप थोड़ा ठीक भी होनी शुरू हो जाती है. So yeah guys, do take your skincare very seriously. I have a few products here that I would love to show you guys and also highly recommend because ये haul में थोड़ा late shoot कर रही हूँ. I've already started using all these products. I think एक हफ्ता हो चुका होगा या 10 दिन हो चुके हैं ये यूज करे हुए. Also guys, if you have not seen my last Nykaa haul, I'm going to link it up. Please do watch that. I have shown some wonderful products उस वीडियो में. And also now because एक महीना हो गया है तो मैं रिव्यू कर सकती हूँ. The Dot & Key serum that I bought is absolutely amazing. The vitamin C one, it is very good. I think आपको 1 month या कुछ लेना चाहिए just to give out reviews anything that's related to skin, because you know it's too early to tell if you just start giving out reviews within 5 days or 6 days. Okay guys, so without any further ado, let's start with the haul. The first two products that I want to show you guys are also face serums, but these are these minimalist serums. Now I have bought two because एक मेरी mom के लिए और एक मेरे लिए है. This is the Alpha Arbutin 2% plus HA1%. So this is basically for pigmentation, and this is for my mom actually. She has this problem of pigmentation and I think this is going to really help her. The next one that I bought is the Vitamin C 10% plus AG1%. This is for brighter and illuminating skin, and this one is for me. Have just started using this, so not gonna review it right now. I think I'm gonna take a month to review these two, but yeah, really wanted to try out this brand. The brightening one was for 664 rupees and the spot one, which is for my mom, is for 522 rupees. Okay guys, this next thing तो I can't even tell you कि कितना टाइम से मैं सोच रही थी कि ये लेने का, because everybody is raving about this product and I have seen so many creators use this product, and it is the face roller. Now this is the Vega face roller. This is in the color rose gold और ये बहुत ही अच्छा फिनिश का है, बहुत ही अच्छी लुक का है. आई रियली लाइक द कलर ऑल्सो. दिस वॉज फॉर 1000 रुपीज़. एंड मैंने बहुत बार अपनी ब्लॉग्स की वीडियो में बताया कि सुबह मेरा चेहरा कितना ज़्यादा स्वेल्ड अप होता है और कितना स्वोलन होता है, पफीनेस होती है आइज के अराउंड. सो आई थिंक दिस इज वन प्रोडक्ट विच आई एब्सोल्युटली नीडेड. एंड आई थिंक अगर आपको भी मॉर्निंग स्वेलिंग उसका इशू है, विच आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल फेस, आई थिंक यू शुड रियली ऑर्डर दिस. तो मैं इसको एक्चुअली अपने फ्रिज में रखती हूँ, बेसिकली इन द freezer, and it's super cold in the morning, and then when I wash my face I just massage it like that. And I think ये छोटा पार्ट आपके eyes के around use करने का है. Guys, this is a must have in your vanity. I have to say this. This is God sent. The third product is a face wash. Now we all need a face wash, and I keep trying new ones because मैं बहुत easily bore हो जाती हूँ. मेरे cult favorite would be Pond's face wash, which is the charcoal one. This is the Nykaa sandalwood and orange peel de-tanning face wash. Very inexpensive. This was for 104 rupees और इसका काफी बड़ा साइज है. I think this is for 100 ml. I think वही summers में आपको बहुत tanning हो जाता है ना, so I think this is a very good option that you can go for. Also, this smells really good because of the sandalwood mainly. The next product is also a face wash, but this is for my mom. Again, whenever I'm shopping anything from Nykaa ना, मैं अपनी मॉम से पूछती हूँ और वो हमेशा मुझे 3-4 प्रोडक्ट्स अपने लिए भी बता देती हैं. सो दिस इज द हिमालय ऑयल क्लियर लेमन फेस वॉश. अगेन अ वेरी कल्ट फेवरेट ऑफ हिमालय, वेरी इनएक्सपेंसिव ऑल्सो. दिस वॉज फॉर 146 रुपीज एंड दिस इज अ 200 ml बॉटल. ऑल्सो आई थिंक ये जो पंप है ना, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा ईजी होता है यूज़ करना. आई रियली लव इट व्हेन इट कम्स इन फेस वॉशेज और इवन शावर जेल्स. रियली लाइक द पंप थिंग, इवन इन फाउंडेशंस एक्चुअली. सो या, शी हैज़ यूज्ड दिस बिफोर एज वेल and she absolutely loved it, so we bought it again. The next product that I'm gonna show you is something which I tried for the first time, but guys, I am in love. Like, I don't think I can use any other lip balm. This is the Palmer's coconut oil formula with vitamin E coconut oil lip balm. This is very tiny actually, but ये बहुत टाइम से ना मेरी wish list में पड़ी थी and I really wanted to try it out. This smells so good. Like, if you're a fan of coconut, I think you're gonna love this. Also super moisturizing on your lips. I am constantly addicted to applying lip balms all the time. This was for 145 rupees, and I think if you're a fan of coconut, you're gonna really enjoy this one. The next product is again also very important in your vanity. This is the Bella cotton pads. This was for 110 rupees and इसके अंदर 80 pieces हैं. Now इसको obviously आप अपना मेकअप रिमूव करने में यूज कर सकते हो या फिर आप अपनी नेल पेंट रिमूव करने में यूज कर सकते हो. Very essential product in your vanity, very basic also. Another product that I have been eyeing on for a very long time are these new Nivea launches. Now Nivea recently launched this new range of shower gels and also body lotions. This is Lily of the Valley and Oil shower gel. I really like this packaging. This color also I really like. Actually मैं बहुत अच्छी packaging का लग रहा था, तभी मैं लेना भी चाहती थी. This is a 300 ml bottle which I bought for 269 rupees. Smells very good. मैं सिर्फ एक बार नहाई हूँ इससे, अभी मैंने यूज नहीं करा because I'm already using another one. अभी मैंने सिर्फ shower gel मंगवाया. Next time I think I'm gonna try the body lotion also. Nivea के products का तो मैं वैसे भी बहुत टाइम से I'm a big fan. I love their body butters. I love their shower gels. I love their lip balms. The next 3 products are related to cosmetics. These K Beauty nail paints all are in pastel shades. Guys, I think K Beauty is doing amazing packaging. Really like the clean and the chic classic packaging. Now this is sort of a blue color, if you can see. बिल्कुल ही light pastel blue है ये है light pink pastel and this one is in pastel green. Now pastels are quite in and that's why मैंने तीनों जो nail paints हैं वो pastel shades में मंगवाई हैं. इनका नाम है Sea Pearl, Aspire and Soft Fern. Don't worry, सबका link description box में होगा. Make sure to check it out. I think Katrina has done a superb job with this brand because packaging एक तो she is doing very nice. I think that's her style also. She's very classic. Also मैंने बहुत तारीफ सुनी है उनके lip crayons की and उनकी eye pencils की. I think I'm gonna try it out soon. अभी मेरे पास बहुत lipsticks हो गए हैं तो मैं अभी lipsticks पे नहीं जा रही हूँ and मैं makeup पे actually अभी नहीं जा रही हूँ because guys I do shop a lot but I make sure that मैं जो भी खरीद रही हूँ I use it to the core. Like I'm not someone जो बिल्कुल अगर 10% कोई प्रोडक्ट पड़ा है ना तो मैं वो फेंक देती हूँ. नहीं मैं पूरा निकालती हूँ. I've got it from my mom but मैं बिल्कुल optimum utilization करती हूँ जिस भी प्रोडक्ट को मैं खरीदती हूँ. So yeah, I don't think I'm a hoarder of things. I completely use my old things first before using my new one. Okay, the next product is my favorite. This is something which is related to coffee. This is a body scrub of M Caffeine. Body scrub मुझे बहुत टाइम से चाहिए भी था. This is a huge bottle if you guys can see. और ये coffee scrub है which actually smells so good. Like you guys know that I'm obsessed with coffee, right? तो ये body पे लगाते हुए इतनी अच्छी खुशबू आती है ना. This is actually very powdery. तो ये जब आप अपनी बॉडी पे पानी डालोगे और फिर इसको स्क्रब करोगे तो बहुत अच्छे से स्क्रब होता है. ऑल्सो इट कम्स विद दिस वुडन स्टिक छोटी सी जिससे आप ले सकते हो प्रोडक्ट. बाय द वे द K Beauty nail paints were for 180 rupees. Sorry, I missed out. This is a huge bottle which only costs 359 rupees. This is a 100-gram bottle guys and I think body scrubs बहुत important है. I think आपको every 4-5 days अपनी बॉडी स्क्रब करनी चाहिए, especially your elbows and also your knees. यहाँ पे ना काफी ऐसे इनग्रोन हेयर हो जाते हैं if you guys are into shaving. वो आपकी स्किन को बहुत ही सॉफ्ट और स्मूथ बना देता है. So make sure that you at least scrub your body once a week. But also guys, one thing that I noticed with this scrub is that ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा grainy है. तो अगर आपकी स्किन बहुत delicate है, I would not recommend this because हो सकता है कि आपको rashes पड़ जाए. तो बहुत ही आराम से इसको करना. बहुत तेज ऐसे scrub करोगे तो हो सकता है कि आपकी स्किन पे red spots आ जाए. But then of course it's coffee based तो थोड़ा सा grainy होगा. Go for lighter scrubs if your skin is delicate. The next product guys is this Plum face mist. Now again I'm really into toners these days और ये है grape seed and sea buckthorn Nutri-Plenish face mist. This I got for only 252 rupees. Also इसका smell बहुत अच्छा है. I love when like you don't have to take it on a cotton pad, these toners. It's good that you have a spray. स्मेल बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत रिफ्रेशिंग है. यू गाइस कैन सी कि मैंने थोड़ा सा इसको यूज कर लिया है अब तक. बट या आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर अ मंथ टू गिव आउट माय प्रॉपर रिव्यू. ओके गाइस, वी आर ऑलरेडी ऑन द सेकंड लास्ट प्रोडक्ट which I think again you should know that I love moisturizers. So this is the Nykaa body butter which is in the fragrance Japanese cherry blossom. Cherry blossom का अगर कोई भी प्रोडक्ट है ना वो बहुत अच्छा स्मेल करेगा because cherry blossom में बहुत अच्छी खुशबू होती है. This is a big tub, you guys can see. 200 ml का टब है ये. बहुत टाइम से मैं इसको भी आई कर रही थी but this was like around 550 rupees. But जैसे ये सेल पे आया I grabbed my hands on it and I bought it. I got this for 413 rupees. Guys, this smells so good. अगर आपको बहुत शौक है ना moisturizing का, just like me, I think you're gonna really enjoy this because it smells so nice and so feminine. Also body butter है तो बहुत अच्छे से moisturize करता है. Okay guys, coming on to the last product. If you guys have not noticed this, I have been wearing blue eyeliner all this while. I got the Lakme blue liner. ये बहुत ही electric blue liner है, as you guys can see. Now this I have been using स्कूल के दिनों से. इसका जो ब्लैक वाला था, नॉट दिस ब्लू वन, ये स्कूल से मैं यूज़ करती आ रही हूँ. दिस वॉज माई फर्स्ट एवर आई लाइनर दैट आई बॉट, ब्लैक वाला, और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा, मेरी मेमोरीज उससे अटैच्ड है. सो इट वॉज नाइस, यू नो, कमिंग बैक टू दोज मेमोरीज बट विद अ ब्लू वन. आई रियली लाइक कलरफुल आई लाइनर्स. आई थिंक इट जस्ट गिव्स अ गुड लुक ऑन योर फेस. और ये बहुत अच्छा पिगमेंटेड लाइनर है और बिल्कुल ही इनएक्सपेंसिव है. दिस वाज फॉर ओनली 130 rupees, which is amazing. And yeah, if you wanna try out something fun, you can go for this. Okay guys, with this we come to the end of my haul video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. मैंने बताया कि सारे links जो है products के description box में है, so make sure to check it out. Also let me know कि अगर आप लोगों ने Nykaa से कुछ खरीदा and any product that you absolutely love, please drop in the comments so that you can help other people out. Also let me know कि कौन से product आप tempted हुए buy करने के लिए. And guys, I am gonna come up with a new video very soon. Stick around on my channel, subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, and yeah, do take care of yourself. Mwah. Bye.